Hello, I'm Chef Belinda. Today we're making a very lovely and sharp recipe that you and your children actually can snack on, and it's called corn dog. Yes, corn dog. And our ingredients today, we have flour, all-purpose flour. Then we have our cornmeal. This is actually cornmeal, not corn flour, please. Cornmeal. Then we have baking soda, sugar, salt, vegetable oil, eggs, sausages, and buttermilk. But if you don't have buttermilk, you can use any evaporated milk that you have. So we'll start now by adding our dry ingredients first. Put our dry ingredients together. This is the cornmeal and the corn flour coming together. Then our baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And this is sugar, 2 tablespoons of sugar. And salt, just a little salt. We stir together all our dry ingredients. And now we'll combine our wet ingredients. We start with our vegetable oil, 2 spoons. Then the egg. And we mix together. Now we'll mix together the wet and the dry ingredients. We'll mix thoroughly, and everything has been mixed together thoroughly. Now we have a paste that is not too watery and not too thick. This is the consistency. Into a deep glass. Pour into a cup. You take your skewer, your sausage. Like I said, I pan roasted this sausage. You can fry or boil yours. Take your sausage, then dip into the paste. Yeah, and you have this. You drop in the oil. Our corn dog is set, and this is we're using a dip of ketchup. You can use any dip of your choice. Yellow mustard, and you see the children actually love this. It's yummy.